Hi family, this is Nettie with Simply Me Journey. Well, it's day after Christmas, December 26th, and I wanted to come here and show you all something that I've done. Before Christmas, I had made some pecan praline and cookies for my grandson, and I made them, but I didn't let them cook as long as I had wanted them to cook, or I thought the need to cook, and they come out more of a sugary praline, and which I had really wanted a caramel type praline, and so I still had a lot of candy left, because I sent him a nice box with candy and with cookies, nice size. He probably got 24 pieces of candy. I don't know, it could be more than that, I don't know. But what I did, because I had the leftover candies, what I did a little while ago, I put the candy in a pot and I melted candy down, and I add some milk, carnation milk to it. And I also use my temperature guide thermos, Acorite thermos. I use this here, and I can let the candy get at 250 to 266 degrees. Show hard ball stage candy, and I also use a little cup with the cold water to drop it to see the firmness of the candy. And so I got it to the temperature that I wanted, as well as to the firmness that I wanted. I prefer the caramel type. I prefer it to be that way. And so, as I was saying, I took a pot, I put this candy in the pot that was more of a sugary form. I add carnation milk, and I let it cook and melt down for a while. Let it, I stirred it up and melted, let the candy melt down where it was able to, for me to able to recook it. So I actually recooked the first candy that I had made, and I created the more caramel candy that I wanted. See how pretty it is? This is the more caramel chewy. This is what I wanted. So now I know I need to cook it a little longer, cook it down, cook it to 200, between 250 to 255 or something like that. Oh boy. Okay. So I know I need to do that. So, but the second candy, this, recooking from the first batch, they're good, they're chewy, just the way I like it. Might stick to your teeth a little bit, but anyway, this is what I want. So it's sweet, but it's not sugar sweet. Took my parchment paper. I put butter on my parchment paper, and I drop each piece on there. I also have the coconut. I have the coconut and the regular. Like I say, they're not too sweet at all. So at the end, I took the other candy, I melted down, I put carnation milk. I don't know how much milk I put in, I didn't measure it. I would say anything probably about half a cup, but I cooked it, let all that milk down and boil, stirred all up, and at the end I did add a little bit more vanilla to it. But I checked the hardness of the candy with a little cup of cold water and drop it in there. And this is perfect of what I was looking for in my candy. Let me wash my hand. It's kind of sticky. And I want to show you all my Christmas presents. I received a lottery scratch-off ticket. I got a lottery scratch-off from a nephew. I won $1. I got a gift card. I got a Walmart gift card. I'm not sure what's on it. Probably $10, but I'm gonna check it. Let me show y'all something that I got. Okay, so my little niece bought me these. I think they're called tumbling. Let me see. So I have 4. Look how beautiful. So she gave me a box of 4. And also they came with glass drawers and 2 cleaners. Y'all, I just love. The glasses are perfect size, because I wanted some new glasses, but my space was seemed like a bit limited to me. But the glasses are not big glasses. So I'm able to put my glasses up here right next to my cups. I would say my mugs. Those are my mugs on that second shelf. So I love this gift. Love it. And so I washed them out. Washed the straws as well as my glasses. Put them up there today. My sister gave me a knee massager. Yep, love this too. Okay, I should give. Okay. And also another sister gave me this here. And the color down up there is the color that's in my sofa, in my furniture. And I cannot wait to put this down on the sofa. This is called a micro mink throw. And 100% polyester. Look at this side of it. And y'all, this thing feels nice and cozy and warm. I can't wait to use it. I'm not going to put it down until after Christmas. So I'm waiting for a new comforter. Yeah, I'm waiting for a new comforter to come in. Seems like I think oh no, I do have another. Okay, here. I know I'm missing another gift. Okay, and then I got these here. I haven't used them. Rubbermaid, big storage. I like that. I needed some more since I have 2 of them, so I needed those. But I don't need them right now. But most definitely a nice gift to me. So yeah, family, just wanted to come on and show y'all how you can recook your pecan praline. I recooked it. Made it to the consistency that I wanted. Like I said, I like the chewy. I like the chewy caramel more so than the sugary. So I just cooked it a bit longer. I'm not sure, maybe about 10 minutes. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes I recooked them. I didn't add no sugar, but I did add butter to it as well. I added maybe about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it got hot, just add the butter in there. And I add the carnation milk. And like I say, they're nice sweet, but they're not too sweet. They're not powdery, sugary sweet. And that's what I did. And see, and I cooked them some sugar cookies too. So I still had a lot of sugar cookies now. So I just want to show y'all how you can revamp or recook your pecan praline and bring it to a consistency that you want. And I'm doing it like this here, so when I put it in a container, they won't be sticking to each other. This is my piece, so I'm finished eating that. And like I say, put butter on your parchment paper before you put the candy on there. I don't care, see, this will be parchment paper, so that's probably why it didn't. That's why I end up, the first time I did this without putting the butter on it, the paper was sticking to the candy. It was just, yeah, the candy was not easy to take off. So now I'm just cutting, like I say, just cutting this off so I can sit this on top of the place on top of the candies and it won't be sticking together. But like I said, this is the perfect consistency that I wanted my candy. So if you have extra candies, may not be what you really want them to be, recook them. Put them back in the pot. I put mine back in the pot, recook them, and they come out great. Great. I don't know if anyone ever tried it before, but I did. I said, well, it'll work out fine. If it doesn't, no big deal. Yeah, I have my pajamas on. I've been in my PJs since I got up. You know, I love lounging around with my PJs. That's why I buy this nice stick for the PJs. So, even if I have company, I don't have to jump and go put clothes on. Because I'm good and covered with my PJs like this here. My little fella, he came through this morning, a little while ago, he just left. Yeah, he got one of them little razor They call razor bites, I guess. You know what I'm talking about? Annie, get on the bike. Get on what? Get on here. Just sit here. I said, Max, I'm not finna sit on this bike. Come on, sit on. I just want you to sit on. I sit on that bike and he gonna try to rail it up for the move. I said, see, you won't do right. You will not do right, boy. So he thought it was funny. And but yeah, he got quite a nice thing for Christmas. He's happy. Mommy here, sister and brother. His sister went back this morning. She came through and picked up some greens. She didn't have time to get any greens out the garden, so I just gave her 3 bags of greens that I had already cut up, put in the freezer. So she took those with her. Yeah, family, this is some good candy. Like I was saying, I like mine to be chewy. I like mine to be chewy and stuff. Get all this in the trash. But, I'll just sit there. So, you can recook your candy. You can recook your candy. You can recook. There's nothing wrong with recooking your candy. Ooh, that's cold. So you can recook your candy if it doesn't come out the right way, the way you want it initially. You can recook it. Recook it. I add milk to mine. I add 2 tablespoons of, and I just add 2 tablespoons of butter just to see if that was something I need. I just did it, and it worked fine. Because my mother used to make pecan praline. I mean, not pecan. She used to make, what she used to make, peanut brittle candy. That was her thing. She used to make peanut brittles. Peanut brittle, and she would put the butter in that, you know, because she's still cooking with sugar like I did before. So yeah, family, this is my recooked pecan pralines. I recooked them down to a caramel stage. See, like a caramel candy. Pecan. Oh, okay. That didn't hit the floor. But, it's good. Delicious. Okay, fam. That's all I want to do. And if you want to see that, you can take your praline candy and recook it to the consistency that you want. All right, this is Never Supreme Journey. Please hit that like and subscribe button and share. And we'll talk later. Bye-bye.